Hi everyone, this is Sushmita, and in my ongoing series of biotin recipes, today's video is about Biotin Halwa. This is a nutritious and healthy recipe which is very easy to make and packs the goodness of several biotin rich ingredients. Don't forget to watch my other videos about hair growth and hair care. So for this recipe, we need 4 to 5 medium-sized sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are very high in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium and magnesium. All of these support healthy hair growth. So I have boiled these sweet potatoes and will peel them. So we are done with the peeling and now it's time to grate these sweet potatoes. And doesn't it look like cheese? In the next step, I'm going to dry roast a few nuts. First goes our almonds. Now I'm going to dry roast all the nuts separately as each one of them have different toasting time, and mixing them all together may cause some to get over toasted while others may remain raw. First thing first guys, almonds are very high in omega-3 and 6 fatty acids that make the hair shiny and bouncy. Then goes our pistachios and walnuts. Now walnuts are a critical ingredient here, so make sure that you don't miss out on these because walnuts are great source of biotin. Biotin, which is alternatively known as vitamin B7, and besides this it has vitamin B6, B12, omega-6 and 12 fatty acids, vitamin E, potassium, selenium, etc. I am also going to use some muskmelon seeds. Now muskmelon is also known as magas in Hindi, and it is also very good for healthy hair and skin. One thing I would like to mention here categorically, that this biotin halwa is extremely nutritious for pregnant women and those new nursing moms. So it is totally safe and natural and anyone can have it. Once all the nuts are toasted, we will begin with the halwa preparation. So adding 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan. Heat the pan moderately and then add the grated sweet potatoes. Keep toasting it till the raw smell of sweet potatoes goes away. After approximately 10 minutes, it will start turning aromatic and the color will also begin to change. The sweet potato will look more caramelized and slightly brown in color and texture. And since in this recipe I am not using any sugar, we are going to add a few sliced dates for sweetness. Those sweet potatoes have a mild sweetness of their own, but it usually goes away once they are cooked or boiled. So here I'm going to use dates. Besides adding natural sweetness, dates also improve the shelf life of this halwa. So make sure that you add dates. And all the nuts that I have toasted earlier, I have sliced them into chewable bites, and I'm going to add them now into this halwa. Giving it all a good mix. Now we have to cook this for another 5 to 6 minutes till all the nuts get coated well. And here is our healthy, filling and nutritious biotin halwa, totally ready to be eaten. And since we used all the sattvic ingredients, it can be eaten while fasting. So guys, do try it out and let me know in the comments how did you find it. Do try out this recipe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.